Week 3, day 5 of class. It's Wednesday, 12th. IT Essentials. We had the students list key items, things to think about when working with hardware. Okay. Static electricity, how you handle the cards, recording information before, power it up, make sure you know the operating system, etc., etc. The dissipating the electricity, unplug, and then hit the power cord, so forth. So we did that first, reviewed hardware, the students laid it out, and then they walked around, looked at all the parts. I told them to go ahead and take the power supply out, and then we put it right back in. But anyway, because we might have to replace that, I wanted to make sure we did that. Put it together, supposed to have people look at it after you put it together. I looked at a couple of them, the students walked around a little bit, and then we booted the systems and had to do a little bit of work around the CMOS, but students worked at clearing up their documentation. So we reviewed the arithmetic logic in the processor. We talked about computers for years have had central processing units, some way to manage memory and storage. This is all really improved over time. But my point is understanding the basis, a processor, the motherboard, memory, storage, understanding the basis, and then you can adjust to what is the current system. We got some type of bus that moves the information through. Alright, so we did kill disk, disks aren't really alive. We didn't really kill any disks. But the hard drive, let me highlight that. The hard drive, what we want to do is erase it, and we did the free version of kill disk, in which we just did a once over write zeros. But then that'll allow us, we're going to install Linux on Monday. So this was the process. The process took a while. We had an issue, being able to get started with this, because there was a, to put it more generically, a BIOS password. So CMOS holds that, and so we could remove a jumper. We could remove a jumper and boot it. Okay, the jumper was on the motherboard, and that would vary on what kind of motherboards. But our motherboard, it was I can't point it out directly here, but we were able to pull the jumper off and then boot it and clear the CMOS. So then we could get in and do what we needed to do. So I have some other pictures of the systems. You can see they're just getting started. The students had an option of coming in, and this one's a little further along. Had the option of coming in then on Friday and powering down their systems. We have the systems on the counters, and these stations are what the students use. These workstations are what the students use in class. And then we have a whole nother set of counters, a whole nother set here where the students work on the counters. We have this counter here and then along the wall. Alright, that's it.